Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you a very good product from Samsung. I would say a must-have product from Samsung if you bought a Samsung device with an USB Type-C cable in the last year or so. Of course, this product can also work with other phones, not only with Samsung, but because it's a Samsung product, I'm going to refer to Samsung phones today. So, this product, as you can see here, it's an USB cable, a Type-C USB cable from normal USB to Type-C. And why I bought this product? Because in the original package, in a Samsung box, you will find this regular cable, which unfortunately is only 1 meter long. And I don't know if you noticed, but in my case 1 meter is not enough, because for example when I'm lying in bed and I want to use my phone, I cannot use my phone because the cable is too short. Of course, I'm talking about connecting the phone to the charger and using the phone while charging. So I decided to look around. I wanted an original cable because I'm only using original cables with my Samsung phones, and I discovered this little package here. It's an 1.5 meter cable. Okay, it's an original Samsung cable, and I want to see how it looks like, how it's packed, and also if it's fast charging or not. So this is how the box looks like. It's very small, very compact. Look here at my hand. Here we have a picture with the cable, and here we have some specs. Unfortunately, on the box it doesn't say that the length of the cable is 1.5 meter, so you have to look around and to search for the specifications online. But I'm telling you that if you have this code here, you will have a 1.5 meter long cable. So let's see what we have inside the box. I have a small cutter. So inside the box we have a little piece of paper with some information about the cable. We have the box and we have the cable. We have some information. It's made in Vietnam, and as you can see here, it looks like a long cable. We have an USB Type-C connector, and we have the normal USB connector. Does it say Samsung? No, unfortunately it doesn't say, or it doesn't write Samsung on the cable. So let's compare a little bit the length of the cables. Okay, so as you can see, I tried to put the cables one next to the other and also to show you the length of the cable. So here we have the original cable, here we have the new cable that I bought, and as you can see, it's much longer than the original cable. So on the original cable we have 1 meter, and on the new cable we have 1.5 meters. So it's a huge difference, and trust me, this will make a difference when you are going to stay in bed and you want to use your phone while charging. I also connected the cable to the phone, but I cannot show you now because I'm filming with the phone, and it's fast charging, and it's charging as fast as the old cable. Again, for me, this is a must-have. I need a long cable. I don't know for you guys, but this is a very, very good option, and I paid for it only 10 euro. This is it. If you find this video useful, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thanks.